In 2022, we worked with the University of Applied Science in Architecture, Wood and Civil Engineering in Biel, Switzerland, building a first RTBT mock-up. And that brought us together with Miro Bannwart, the genius behind the essential software for RTBT's complex design and engineering challenges. He was connecting us in 2023 with Makiol Wiederkehr, a leader in wooden engineering, to develop the proof of concept in portability, safety, and the seal of approval in highest Swiss precision. We plan to travel from art events, conventions, fairs, festivals, to cities, borders, within regenerative villages, awakening dreams harbored in hearts around the world. These initial hearts and scalable plans lay the groundwork for an ambitious expansion. Imagine a world spread of RTBT hearts. But how can we not only inspire, but also truly make a lasting impact on people's lives and dreams and connect them with each other? As we embrace the mission, RTBT serves as the lighthouse, the first interaction with humans. Then we parallel stepping in of building or connecting a wisdom cloud. There are multiple other art and creative and mindful projects in the world that seek attention.